Hello out there, this is Sofrina Hedy. Once again, I have my mukbang here. I cut my hair. I have mukbang challenge. One, two, three, four different kinds of fruits. I got mango, apples, banana, and avocado. Ooh, this is a lot. Do you think I can eat this all? Let's see. With my favorite humba. Humba and mais. Kung kanon, mais, corn grits. Corn grits and humba. Humba na dako ka. I think I gonna eat. Nami. I'm gonna share it to my best friend, Ming Ming and Tiny. Nami good siya. The sabaw. Murag kulangon yun akong mais bahaw. Bahaw na kung akan kulangon niya. Kaya perting lami ang timpla sa akong humba. Nami git sabay. Makalimot kas imongan. Really smell good. Because I put five spice. Dahon sa paminta. Mut kaayo. I'm going to work today. It's 2 o'clock already. I'm gonna start home at 3 o'clock. Kaon yun ko og daghan. Mga unta mga friend. Mga unta. Daghan kanya akong prutas. Akong humba. Pagkanami naman yun. Yummy. My little dog is so quiet and behave. That's good job, my Tiny. Usually he barks, begging for food. But now he changed. Hopefully it will be good one. Yum, 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 yum. Matukan tani ka. Nagda kay ako ang kanon. This is a perfect humba. Sakto ra ang iyang katamison. Ang iyang pagkaatlom. Very perfect. Sakto lang timpla. Not so sweet, not so salty. This is perfect. Good job to me. I need water. I will drink my. Wait, I will drink my. Organic coconut water from the Philippines. I bought this from Costco. Very good. Perfect. Kaya madundan ta, ani. Kalaki ha. I'm sorry, my husband doesn't eat. Because he's a picky eater. Di siya mabuhi sa Pilipinas. Ang mabuhi man kaya ay Macdo. Si Macdo. Ako, mabuang ko dito sa Pilipinas kung to ako dito. Kaya hilig kay kumukaon og number 1, litson. Number 2, litsong kawali. Pagka-crispy ha diha sa Island souvenir ba na? Diha sa 4th floor sa Ayala Food Court. Anya, mga tinula nga dagko kaayong mga tinula nga isda, mga sinugba. Anya, sinugba nga. Bisag unsa nga sinugba, I like it. Sinugba nga lami yun kaayong nga dako ka nga lumyagan or squid. One time with my hubby, when the Marriott before is not closed, still there in near Ayala, they have seafood buffet every Saturday for only 1,000 per head. I went there with my hubby, and I was wrong bringing him there because he don't eat seafood. You know what? Do order by what you want to cook, what you want, what kind of cooking you want. Like all are there are fresh fish, fresh seashells, whatever. Everything is fresh, crabs, whatever. And then you just pick it and tell them, I want stew on this fish. I want it grilled. I want it fried, or I want it salad or whatever. Kinilaw. Oh my God! I order this, all that I want. And you know what? When it came to my table, it won't fit on my table because there's a lot of them. Like 1,000. For me, I want to get back my 1,000. Oh my God! I like, is this all my order? I have tinula. I have sinugba. I have nilatan. I have I have everything I want. Seafood. The crabs, boiled crabs, steamed crabs, whatever. My God, lumyagan, sinugba, na ako'y lumyagan nga gitula. And then, I was like, can I eat this all? Oh my God, how could I do it? So I start eating and eating. And I cannot really finish it all. Oh my God, that's crazy. you know, when you're hungry, it's really nice to eat when you're hungry, but when you're full, you cannot do anything. Like, what can I do? My stomach is really full. I cannot eat anymore, as if all the foods are no longer tasty for you because you're full. You know, that's the problem. So I miss it. There is no more Mario today in Cebu. It was changed to Sida. Am I right, Sida? So I don't know. It's like 10 years ago. So, and we went also, we spent our honeymoon way back 2009. We went to Boracay. And every 6 o'clock in the evening, all the restaurant will display all their food outside on the beach. Everywhere. All the food is like line up on the beachfront. And I remember I ordered everything like what I did in Marriott. I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. And when it comes to my table, oh my God, especially the pork sinugba. Lumiagan sinugba. Oh my God, like, wow. Tinulang isda ng dago kayo. My God. When I cannot finish it, I start looking, what can I do? So there's a lot of children, like, watching on the, and I called them and said, hey, come on. Like a flock of them is coming to my table. And I give to one person, and then the one boy is like, it's like he don't want anybody to share with him. Oh my God, so funny. So I give all my food to them, and they are like they're running away with the food, and they are so happy. My God, it's really interesting. Like, it's me. I like eating. Here I like buffet. I don't like waiting on the restaurant and order your food for 1 hour, I don't like it. If I go restaurant, that's why I want buffet, because it's right there. You can pick whatever you want, and you can eat right away. That is why I like buffet. So I have to charge my phone. It says 50%. So I have to put it that way so that I can charge it. Okay, guys. Now I'm done with my humba. So I start my fruit. My fruits. I start with my avocado. And put some banana. And try my apple. Mix them like a salad. But I don't like to put any dressing. It makes me fat. So, I want to eat it by itself. No additional dressing. Yummy. And mango. So sweet. You know this mango? I still got a lot. I still got a lot of them. And thank you for the sponsor, Neda. Thank you for giving all this a lot of mango. My goodness. Thank you. Thank you, Neda. You're so nice. You're so nice friend. And she is the one also who gave this pork chop. And still have a pork hack and a pork liver. She gave it to me. So, this is came from a very nice friend. She's my angel. Giving from heaven above. And there's the seeds. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good for my tummy. Once again, I'm Tufrina Hede. Watch my video, guys, and try to subscribe, like, and subscribe. Leave some comment. Sag imong ingno nga pagkadako nimo kaon, wayhan na ka. Ang kulo na. Tinuod man sad. Kinsa may makakaon og preane. I don't think so you can do it. Few more left. See? Avocado. Saging, mangga, avocado, Mhm. Ginamos. Ituslo ang avocado sa ginamos. Yummy ay. Ginamos ang avocado, bye. Napakasarap. Good. Saging. Dalas saging. Ang lalat. Mangga. No more. Di na magic, bye. Wala na ako na mantika. It's all in my mouth. In my tummy. No more. No more. Thank you for watching. Drink coconut water. And it's organic. See you next time. Babu. I'm gonna go to work. I'm ready for this big full tummy. Thank you, everybody. Babu, love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like.